Hi everyone. Today I'll be showing you how we can import the virtual machines from your local machine or from the on-premise environment to AWS or from the Azure to AWS. So this is the server migration part that we'll be doing. So for this process, I've made a simple demonstration that will be the VM created in your local machine and then importing it to AWS by creating the AMI images and then creating the EC2 instance. So the format will be of OVA from the virtual box in this demonstration. So let's move on to the virtual box. So after shutting down your machine, there will be an option that is export to OCI, and then there will be a path generation that will be your OVA file will be exported. So after doing next there will be an OVA file that will be generated. So I've already done that process, so I'll be showing you quickly. This is the file that is of the size 1.6 GB, and then I'll be exporting it, uploading it to the S3 bucket that I've already done it. So I'll be showing you the file in the S3 bucket. So actually I've renamed it to demo12, and that is the same machine that I have uploaded to S3 bucket. So for this I'll be copying the S3 URI that will be used afterwards. So let's look onto this blog. So for this server migration process, we'll be using AWS import export feature provided by AWS. So at first create the file called import.json and paste these things. I'll be attaching this blog this document in my description so you can download it. So for me that this VSD will be OVA format, and then replace it with the URI just copied from the S3 bucket. So create a file, and then after that we'll be using this command to import the image OVA file from this S3 bucket and then create the image. This command tells that thing. So we'll be using first there will be the error showing that there you are not authorized. So first you must have to create the role for that AWS import export to work. So I've created the first trust policy.json and then attach this policy. So this is the policy, and then I've created the role named VM import role. So this is the policy that will be attaching. So in this process I have uh, pasted the policy role policy in the role VM import. So I'll be using this role. So okay, after the error is gone, we'll be moving to creating the image. So for the Windows we must have to specify the license type as well, as I am doing the Ubuntu server for importing it. So I'll not be using this license type. So that will be so I've already done it in my shell. I'll be showing you. So at first I just did the process that I showed you earlier. This is my image name that I'll be creating, and from the file import.json I have just imported it. And then as I have already created the role, I did not get the error message. So okay, after specifying the region as well, I just this is just the details that showed me after the importing process, and then the status message is pending. And then so the task import task ID is this, so I'll be copying it. Okay, So to see the status, I just use this command, and then it is showing that status message is converting. So again I will be using this command. So okay, the status message is completed, so I can see this image in my uh, console. So just refresh it and then paste it here actually. So okay, so this is the image that